Hey everyone. If your camera is not working on Google Meet in 2026, like black screen, no video, or camera not detected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet camera issues step by step. First, open Google Meet and check camera permissions in your browser settings. Without permission, your camera will not work at all. Next, go to Google Meet settings and select the correct camera device. I mean, sometimes the wrong camera is chosen automatically. Now make sure your camera is turned on inside the meeting. Click the camera icon to enable video. After that, close other apps like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Only one application can use the camera at a time. Next, restart your browser or device. This often fixes temporary camera glitches quickly. Now check your system camera settings and ensure the camera is enabled. Sometimes it is disabled in privacy settings. After that, update your browser and camera drivers. Outdated software can cause camera detection issues. Finally, test your camera in another app. This helps confirm whether the problem is with Google Meet or your device itself. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet camera not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your camera should start working again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey everyone!